Hello, let's explore the concept of sets. In this lesson, we are going to look at the definition of a set, how to represent it, and then some various terminologies such as the subset, the complement, and we'll finally explore how to use the Venn diagram to solve two set problems and then three set problems. Well, these are all not going to be compounded in one video. It is going to be in different set of videos. So make sure you follow up with the subsequent ones after you watch this one. Well then, let's look at sets. When we say set, what do we mean? I mean, it's not the guy set. We mean set. So this guy. Alright. By mathematical definition, sets usually refers to a collection of items. Usually they will have a related property. So that is a set. So it can be a set of even numbers where you would have say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or it can also be a set of other items at all, which can be set of month of the year. They can also qualify as a set. Alright, how do we represent a set? You might ask. This is how we do it. A set usually will have a name, and so in this case, A will be the name. You have your equal to, and then the curly brackets. These define a set. So a name and then the curly brackets are key defining moment for a set. So a set of even numbers can be represented as A, where A has these items. Your equal to will come, your curly bracket, and then these items will be inside. The items 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 have a name, and that name is elements or members of A. And so for this particular example, because 2, 4, 6, and 8 are the items in the curly bracket, we say they are elements, they are the elements of A or members of A. That phrase, members or elements, is also mathematically represented as this. So when you see this symbol, it reads members of or elements of or belongs to. Typical example, 2 is a member of A because you find 2 in this set. In that sentence, we represent it as 2, the symbol A, and that literally means 2 is an element of A. Another one, we can find 6 in this set. 6 belongs to A, so we write it as 6, this symbol A, and that literally means 6 is a member of set A, or 6 belongs to set A, or 6 is an element of set A. However, this is not the only notation for a set. We've explored the first one, and then we know that usually a set is represented as this. Alright, now typical example, a set of prime numbers between 10 and 20 is represented this way. We first write the name of the set, in this case, which is O, our equal to, and our curly bracket. Then, because it's a set of prime numbers between 10 and 10 and 20, we have 11, 13, 17, and 19. However, this same information can be represented in another way, where instead of writing the element explicitly, we rather define it. So here we have O is equal to our curly bracket. Our curly bracket, in between it you have x colon, x is a prime number, and 10 less than x less than 20. What does this mean? You are probably asking. This statement literally reads x is such that x is a prime number greater than 10 but less than 20. So x colon, the colon literally reads such that. So x is such that x is a prime number and x is greater than 10 and then less than 20. And that information is the same as what we find here. So you see, this notation of set is the same as this notation of set. So what we have here equals what we have here. For an example of this, we see a set E, and then E is an even number such that E is greater than 90 and less than 100. So to come up with that, we know it's an even number, but it's greater than 90, and 92 is the first even number greater than 90, but it's also less than 100, and then 98 is the even number less than 100, and then we have other elements that follow, so 92, 94, 96, then 98. So this meets the criteria for what we have here. This is another notation of a set. Alright, thus far we've explored what the concept of set is and how to represent it. We've also got to know the elements of a set and then how to write that information mathematically. Like I said, this is the first of the several videos to explain the whole concept, so make sure you follow up with the subsequent ones. Kindly like, share, and then subscribe to this channel as we explore other concepts.